Hi, my name is Sarah, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Quizlet. Quizlet is a website where you can create, share, and search online sets of flashcards with different users. I personally love Quizlet, and I find it really useful when I'm studying for tests and quizzes. As you can see, this is my personal Quizlet, and what I've done is I've created a bunch of different sets for my different classes over the past few months, and I've put them into folders. So this is just an example of what a Quizlet set looks like. These are the terms that I've put in the definitions for one of my marketing classes. And today I'm going to be showing you a few things using Quizlet. I'm going to show you how to create an account, I'm going to show you how to create a flashcard set, and I'm going to teach you how to quiz yourself. So first, I'm going to log out of my personal Quizlet so I can show you how to create an account. You're going to come over here and you're going to press sign up. And you can either sign up with Google, sign up with Facebook, or you can simply just create an account on your own. And that's what I'm going to be doing today. So you're going to come over here and you're going to just fill in the necessary information. So I'm just going to fill in my birthday and everything else that they're asking for. I'm going to create my own username. And I'm going to type in my email. Just create a password and agree to the terms of service. And you simply just click sign up. And it's that easy. So this is my account, and these are all the different options. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to create our first study set. So I'm going to click on this, and okay, it's just telling me how awesome it is. So create a study set, and what I'm going to do is just for a sample one, I'm going to put in some marketing terms. So I'm going to label it marketing test first, and then I'm going to type in the corresponding terms and definitions. And every time it's going to ask me for the first time what language it is, so I'm just going to press yes, and I'm going to type in the definition over here. And I'm going to do about 3 definitions for you just so we have a general feel for what we're doing. So after I'm done typing in my terms and definitions, I'm going to scroll down here and press create. And what's kind of nice about this is that you can share it with other people if you want on Facebook, Twitter. You can add it to a class, which they actually have them set up for different class names for different schools, or you can add to a folder. I'm not going to do this right now. So what I kind of like about this is you can add or remove terms at any time. So say I want to add another term, I just click this and it's going to show me the same thing. Press plus, type in whatever I want, and then it'll add it. So now that we've created a set, the last thing I'm going to do is show you how to quiz yourself using these sets. And there's a bunch of different methods. As you can see up here, there's study methods and there's games you can play. And for this, I'm going to be showing you how to use the flashcards and the learn. So first we're going to click on flashcards, and there's a few different ways you can do this. You can either start off with showing the term first, the definition first, or both at the same time. So I'm going to start with the definition, and what I'm going to do is just going to read it to myself, and okay, I think the answer to this is marketing. So I'm going to click it, and I got it right. So it's just kind of a nice way to self-test yourself. It doesn't keep track of it or anything, but if you just want to test your knowledge, do that. It's pretty simple. So that's one method we can use. I'm going to go back to my set, and the next thing I'm going to show you, which is a little more steps to it, is the learn feature. So what happens here is you can, like the flashcards, you can either give the definition first or the term first if you click this. I'm going to do the definition because it's a lot of typing and I don't want to type out the whole definition. So I'm going to type what I think the answer is and press answer. And I got it correct. So what it does is it keeps track for me over here in this column, what I have right, what I've gotten wrong, and what I have left to do. So to go to the next one, press any key. And okay, so say I don't know the answer to this one. I can either press don't know or I can type in a guess. For this, I'm going to click don't know. Okay, and it puts it in the incorrect category automatically, but To help you remember it, it gets you to type the answer, and you just have to copy it exactly and spell it right. So if I type it like this, like, it's not going to work. So we're going to spell it correctly, and it's going to automatically go to the next one. So let's say for this one that I decide, okay, I know the answer, it's value, but I accidentally spell it wrong. Okay, it's going to tell me that it's incorrect. However, since I got it right, I just spelled it wrong. I come over here and press override, and it automatically puts it in the correct category. So that was the first round, and I can press any key and it's going to take me back through and have me do the ones that I got incorrect. So this one, I'm going to type in the answer again, and I got it right this time. So I'm all done here. I got 67% on the first round and 100% on the second round. And so I find this kind of helpful, especially when I'm quizzing myself on a bunch of different terms. It's really helpful to just go back and keep redoing the ones you don't know, and it's really nice because it keeps track of it for you as well. So those are just two of the different ways that you can study using your Quizlet, and if you go back to your set, it'll show you what you've sometimes missed, what you've never missed, and once again, you can select this term and star it, and it'll pop up later when you're quizzing yourself, or you can add or remove terms again. So those are just some of the basics of Quizlet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.